Hey guys, this is Felix with Castmasters, introducing our newly designed STP 5000 drill-powered wire stripper. The STP 5000 drill-powered wire stripping machine is a simple wire stripper that you mount to your tabletop with the 4 decking screws that come with your purchase. Alright, we're ready to attach your drill to your STP 5000 wire stripper. Lock it in place. So just to show, this is the blade here and this is your wire. The idea is to have your wire fit snugly underneath that blade through your directional holes here so that this blade can splice your wire in half. You're going to raise your wire gate by unscrewing your wire gate locks like so. And you're going to place your wire inside the desired size of which the wire size you're going to use. And you're going to place this wire through the hole in the wire gate between the blade and the teeth that grip your wire to help bring your wire through. We're able to reverse the gate upside down based on the preference and size of your wire so that you're able to obtain a 10 to 15 degree angle, and so that your desired wire is actually below horizontal. So you can reverse it, this being standard where your big hole is in the bottom, or you flip it upside down. So this is very easy to do. You just have to unscrew your bolts all the way and then you just tighten like so. Once you have your wire in place, you're going to hold your wire gate down so your wire is below horizontal about 10 to 15 degrees. Horizontal being like this, and below horizontal 10 to 15 degrees being like that. Once you're set with the desired angle, you're going to lock your wire gate by turning the screws. Then you're going to tighten the blade down by using this knob at the top so that it's snug onto your wire. You cannot push it through. As you can see, I was able to split that main wire. And then you have your smaller wire, of which the copper is inside these smaller wires that we can strip.